Nationwide BJP enrollment drive exceeds target in Manipur. Party enrolls 3,24,607 primary members in Manipur. And Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju gives 1.82 crore rupees to medalist of Para Badminton World Championship 2019. Kurumjari, good afternoon. You're watching Wednesday Afternoon News. And I'm Victoria Rajkumari bringing you the top stories. First up, BJP Manipur enrollment in charge L. Deven expressed happiness that the BJP has enrolled 3,24,607 people as primary party members in Manipur, exceeding its target in the recent nationwide BJP membership drive held from July 16 to August 25th. Speaking to media at party office in Kanchipur today, L. Deven stated that 4,716 BJP workers carried out the drive at state, district and mandal levels. Deven said he will give report on the drive to BJP central leaders in New Delhi tomorrow. He also mentioned that the BJP active member enrollment drive has started in the second phase since August 25th and will continue till August 31st. Deven hoped that the BJP will once again exceed its set target in the drive.
Maruoina kona kathazakriba koi sum drive asi koi party ki president Sri K.S. Babanda Singh, honorable chief minister koi Sri N. Biren Singh, haiba party ki leader Singh si guidance makhada koi sangathan mantri laiba koi ki Sri Premanda Maitai the party ki laiba general secretary Singh Karising office bear myam si ki guidance makhada moi myam gi matenga loina mai pangna pangthok ki ba sumba koi drive koi sum parba sumba koi festival asida praja myamna sojok pibidna koi masing yamna ming chan rapagi damukta Manipur ki praja section ko demai chili nawi maibel chhatra chhatri punamupu Bharatiya Janata Party ki merke dagi amukka hanna ai mayam buthaga prapu.
BJP Manipur will give a final report after the drive ends to party election in charges on September 10th, followed by BJP organization election. Speaking to media about the same state BJP election co-in charge, L. Basanta claimed that the BJP upholds the ideology of democracy more than any other existing political parties of the country. He asserted that the BJP had 11 different presidents since its formation, bearing Rajnath Singh, who was elected twice as party president. L. Basanta mocked the Indian National Congress for continually electing Sonia Gandhi as its president. He assured of transparency in the upcoming fourth phase of BJP organization election.
Akoi Bharatiya Janata Party na akoi confederation da thajaba thamde akoi consensus thajaba thami election ni adubu akoi consensus the maximum level da akoi purakna ba Bharat ki state khudimukta union territory singda local level dagi national level ba akoi thak ta akoi consensus oina akoi puthok jaraga akoi thengnana bu khona jagana bu kanaumba active members singe marakta mikhal thengna ningdana makhoi ni mikhal tongna jarage haraga so khoi adum tawhangani makhoi tawhallerga yanaraga hore loina mutungda khoi da atopo political party sing da mikhal thengna ro mutungda leina riba feeling se aiga maga vote emna ru re aingonda nungai ta mana ka khare do khoi leina de ka hauda bodana vice president oi bisu yai mana any political diet ma pi re ga khoi punna thabak tawmina ge.
Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution Minister Karam Sham asserted that there was no infringement while obtaining PDS items from the Centre for Manipur. He lambasted MP R.K. Ranjan for taking advantage of the dispute among BJP MLAs and faking heroic actions in the media. Speaking to media at the minister's office in Old Secretariat today, the minister claimed that he has provided 83% benefits to NAPSA beneficiaries since becoming CAF and PD minister. He added that the previous government provided only 65% benefits. He rebuked MP R.K. Ranjan by stating that if the MP truly cared for the people, he will have tabled the ILP, CAB cap, both the pillar and Indo-Naga framework agreement issues in the parliament.
The MP ki thakdagi MLA ki thakda handarakpa manba moongda sarkar na isum chum na seng na tawriba potsing se Manipur ki miyam da lan honna ki thawong ama satharpa se Manipur praja ki laibak thibani yamna sensitive oiba leader oheningi laipa ki issue da thabak tohningi sini amadi gehu aina house da many times masigi aseng report thamjagri ado karai da lairuno khangde ada hanjan hojik ta anova issue ama dauna puthoraga Manipur gi praja miyam da lan honna basidi masi tobam thokte aduga Cab NPT department se laitalaira awana gi damakta the title launanaba mayam gi khudong chawa phangnanaba leiba department sibu ngarang pi gi statement da sendong dan bagi business gi department oina urga wangang basi dawanjaning de.
Speaking to media, CAF and PD Director Ranjan Yumnam further refuted that PD's items under NAPSA were not misappropriated in any way in Manipur. He maintained that rice is the only PD's item provided regularly by the centre. He also said that sugar is provided only to AAY card holders and kerosene cannot be provided to household equipped with LPG gas and electricity connection. Hence, DCs of every district are conducting a survey to identify beneficiaries. He said that the PD's items will be distributed per the survey results.
2016 dagi NFS lakhiudagi the wait have PDS ki basket ki item ama oigidre sigi scheme sigi matung ina khoi rice khitang oina khoi Manipur state sina lokhibani sugar si khoi normal allocation oina with effect from March 2017 dagi di khoi kakre LPG connection leitaba amasu electricity phangdaba household khitang mak khoina SK oil sigi kanaba je piu haiba government of India ki guideline ama hoji akhoi issue tawbire masigi matung in a DC singna kanna hoji hairiba beneficiaries sing identification ki thabak kanna sathari aduga akhoi ki LPG connection sigi penetration si Manipur ri am wang leira demand gi matung ina khoi chingba chingdaba su yaudabadi nate adubu labs oina khoi gi department ki side gi labs oiba dereliction adugu negligence kumba oibati thokide haibaji.
Kuki civil society organizations have suspended the proposed More Bund on August 29 following an understanding with the Assam Rifles. Vice President of Hill Tribal Council More, P.S. Gangte, told the media that the resolution came following assurances by Commanding Officer of Assam Rifles, Sumit Sood, to ease their inconvenience at the meeting attended by representatives of Kuki Civil Society Organization, Assam Rifles and Civil Administration, organized by DC Technopal Hate Rupachandra and at More Police IB around 8 a.m. today. Technopal SP Th Bikramjit, SDO More I Dinesh Kumar and representatives of Kuki Civil Society Organization Manly, Hill Tribal Council More, Kuki Student Organization More, Kuki Women Union and Human Rights and members of More Youth Club attended the meet. A man was found dead in a suspicious way near Fayeng Pangalba Community Hall under Lamsang Police Station in Imphal West District today. The deceased is identified as 19-year-old Ningthaujam Milensan, son of N. Bhaiga from Fayeng Mayai Laikai. Sources said that local residents found the body around 7 a.m. A team of Lamsang Police Station and Manipur Forensic Science team rushed to the spot and inspected the crime scene. Later, they transferred the body to RIMS mortuary for further investigations. DC Imphal West in a press release urges people of the constituency to extend full cooperation in the upcoming 7th socio-economic caste census for August, September and November, December. The DC appealed to every household to give authentic information to surveyors of the census. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on Union Sports Minister giving away 1.82 crore rupees to medalists of Para Badminton World Championship 2019. We'll be back with the details after the break. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back. You're watching Wednesday Afternoon News. Union Sports Minister Kiren Rijiju has handed over 1.82 crore rupees to the medalists of the Para Badminton World Championship, amending the policy for para athletes to make them eligible for more cash awards. As per the amended guidelines, medal winners in world events and world championship organized by International Paralympic Committee, International Sports Federation and recognized by International Olympic Committee will be eligible for cash awards from the government. The first set of athletes who received their cash awards under the changed guidelines are para badminton players. They have just won 12 medals at the recently concluded World Championships. While the gold medal winners took home 20 lakh rupees, the silver medalists were given 14 lakhs and bronze winners 8 lakh each. Winners in the doubles event won 15 lakh rupees each for gold, 10.5 lakh each for silver and 6 lakhs for bronze. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has congratulated the Indian para badminton contingent, which has brought home 12 medals at BWF World Championship 2019. In a tweet, Prime Minister Modi said, 130 crore Indians are extremely proud of the Indian para badminton contingent. He said their success is extremely gladdening and motivating. In a heinous crime, a minor girl was gang raped and then paraded with tonsure head through her village as punishment by the Panchayat in Gaya district of Bihar. 6 people were on Tuesday detained in connection with the case. Police said a group of men kidnapped the girl on August 14 while she was out to relieve herself. She was forcefully taken to the roof of the local Panchayat building, where she was repeatedly raped until she lost her consciousness. She was spotted by a villager the next day who informed the family. The village Panchayat, which is allegedly under the influence of the powerful relatives of the accused, instead of helping the girl, ordered a punishment for her. She was tonsured and then paraded through the village. An FIR was lodged at the Women Police Station on Monday, 11 days after the incident took place in Mauksanda village of Mohanpur block in Gaya. All the 5 Panchayat members who held the meeting and ordered the punishment have been named as accused in the case under the POCSO Act and have been detained. Prime Minister Narendra Modi is set to launch the Fit India movement on Thursday, August 29th. The same was confirmed by Minister of State Independent Charge for Youth Affairs and Sports, Kiran Rijiju. The launch event will be held at Indira Gandhi Indoor Stadium, New Delhi. Prime Minister an address and will also administer a fitness plate. The event will be broadcast live by Doordarshan. University Grants Commission UGC has asked Higher Educational Institute to make necessary arrangements for students, faculty and staff to view the Prime Minister's address on the launch of the movement. As a part of the fitness pledge, UGC has asked everyone to walk at least 10,000 steps on August 29 and follow it up in their daily routine. It has also asked Higher Educational Institute to make institutional fitness plan and incorporate daily exercise activities for everyone to adopt and practice. Delhi's iconic Firozshah Kotla, the second oldest cricket stadium in India, will rename as Arun Jaitley Stadium in tribute to the former Union Finance Minister who passed away recently. The stadium, however, will also continue to be known by its geographical location, the Firozshah Kotla, after the 14th century monument which is situated next to it. Delhi and District Cricket Association DDCA President Rajat Sharma told media on Tuesday that the stadium will remain as Firozshah Kotla Ground and will also be called as Arun Jaitley Stadium. He maintained that players like Kohli, Sehwag, Gambhir and Nehra made India proud due to Jaitley's support and encouragement. It may be mentioned that Arun Jaitley served as President of Delhi and District Cricket Association from 1999 to 2013. The renaming will take place on September 12th at a function where a stand at the Kotla will be named after India captain Virat Kohli as announced earlier. And before we wrap up, let's take a look at headlines once again. Nationwide BJP enrollment drive exceeds target in Manipur. Party enrolls at 3,24,607 primary members in Manipur. And Union Sports Minister Kiran Rijiju gives 1.82 crore rupees to medalists of Para Badminton World Championship 2019.